Hey guys, and welcome back. Right now, I'm going to be announcing the theme for the Aspland 1 year anniversary game jam. So the theme this time around is celebration. So this can be absolutely anything you want as long as it's related to celebration, i.e. a birthday party, a wedding, Christmas, Halloween, Easter, absolutely anything you want, even going from exams. Again, as long as you can argue that it's related to a celebration of any kind, you can do it. And again, this can be a horror, retro, 3D, 2D, survival, any sort of game, any sort of graphics, any story. As long as it follows the theme of celebration and you can argue the fact that it does follow celebration, you can do it. And again, join the Discord in the link down below if you want some help talking to other people, finding a team, help with coming up with ideas, anything like that, or just general help with your coding or anything along those lines. So again, the theme is celebration. You've got 2 weeks. It will end on Friday the 30th of April at 7 PM BST. So good luck, and remember, just have fun.